I'm about to go ahead and take this makeup off for today. It was very impromptu, but I'm actually very impressed with how it held up. It did exactly what I needed it to do, and I'm glad I found another little quick, very quick method that works. I really need to go ahead and mark down these products that I use, like the combination of the products that I use, because and I'm about to take a shower, so sorry about that, but because I've been finding out a lot of my concealers don't go with a lot of the foundations that I have, so I've been on a search for different ones to try out this go around. What am I using to take this makeup off tonight? The Day Dissolve Cleansing Balm with its eucalyptus oil and vitamin E from VERSED. There we go. It's gonna focus. And I love this because it gets everything off. I just go in with this and massage it all over my face. I go in dry. I don't wet it first. Let me see what else. Massage and then rinse. And it says that I can use it on the entire face. It says to massage a dime size amount, and I really only need a dime size. I don't need too much. Obviously I go in with more than that because I'm me. Very heavy-handed, but other than that, yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get in this shower. I'm about to use this to take this makeup off, and honestly I think I got this at the clearance aisle out of Walmart, and I have been loving it. This is how much I've used, and I can't even tell y'all how many uses that has been. It's been a lot. I know it's been a lot, and it's very effective. I did not think I was going to like it. I honestly didn't think I was going to be leaving makeup wipes behind, but I have not reached for makeup wipes since I've needed to buy some. The last one that I had my husband grab for me, they were dry. So waste my money. Y'all know those things are up to like $10 now on top of that. So plus I really love micellar water. It works way better to me, or at least just as good. And so once I found this, I was skeptical, but it does the job. So I'm about to go ahead and get my music on. Either I'm about to listen to something old school or Bridgerton. So yeah. Oh, also I do love to go in with a washcloth. I have a bunch that I've specified for my face. Okay, so I'm going to take this, dig my fingers in there and get, I guess that's a good amount. That's probably too much, honestly. Alright, I'll show y'all what I do. Just take and go in. I really just start and massage it in as far as it's going to take me. Get a little bit more. I don't like for anything to ever end up in my eyes, so I do this fast. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the shower now.